Hey guys, Jefferson here, and this is HeyBlinds Matter Motorized Blackout Shades. I want to thank HeyBlinds for sending me these blinds, but like all my other reviews, I will provide my honest opinion. Downstairs, all my shades are light filtering. Upstairs, all my shades are blackout, and oh how well they work. The exact specs I have are the Matter motor with the 16-channel remote, with their luxury fabric cassette, luxury fabric bar, all reverse roll so it's closer to the drywall than away. All my bedrooms have the light blockers, which is insane. Let me show you what my old blinds look like. These were the cordless blinds, which worked okay, but a lot of light leaked through, which makes taking a nap during the day a little challenging. Before we get started, let's do a quick unboxing. Each box is labeled, which makes it really easy to recognize which shades goes to which room. There's also a label on the actual shades, which makes it crazy easy to identify which shade goes into which room. The first thing we saw is the user manual, 6 feet of USB-C charging cable, the actual shades themselves, and before we move forward, let's get these charged up using their included 6-foot USB-C charging cable. While this is charging, you could see an intermittent blue blinking light, and once it's done charging, that light turns into a solid blue light. I've already made an installation video and a setup guide when I reviewed the light filtering shades, so if you haven't seen that, be sure to watch it here, or if you're on Amazon, click on the product link below. Remove your old shades and install the mounting brackets. Line up your shades and snap them into the bracket. It's really that easy to install this. Clean up. Once they're installed, I paired the shades with Apple's HomeKit, and I've also connected it with Home Assistant after I paired it with HomeKit. Again, if you want to see the setup guide, please refer to my previous video. Here's a look at the blackout shades without the light blockers and with the light blockers. It makes a huge difference, and I honestly believe they're worth the money. I only included light blockers in the rooms, but not in my upstairs hallway or laundry room. Imagine taking a nap during the day and everything just turns black. Or, in my case, nearly black. It gets very dark where you're able to actually sleep. I absolutely love this. And because these are Matter certified, you're able to set up automations either through HomeKit, Google, or even better, what I'm using, Home Assistants. You're able to set up automations where it will naturally wake you up. It's way better getting woken up by light versus a loud, obnoxious noise. The quality of these shades are really top notch. The customer service has been excellent. I really love how well these shades work, and I highly recommend them. That's all I have, and like always, have a great day.